Welcome to the Village at Towne Lake in Woodstock, Georgia. I am Shonna with eXp Realty, and we service all of Woodstock and the surrounding cities of Cherokee County. But before we get started with our tour, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future tours. Let's go take a look at what the Village at Towne Lake has to offer. This is the SEACREST model, which is a townhome available in the Village at Towne Lake. Let's go in and take a look. So before we actually get inside, all of the SEACREST models have this area for relaxation, like a patio right out front in the model, and parking is behind. So it's a little bit different. So they have chosen quite some interesting colors in here, but I do love that you get options. So this is all of your open living area. It's just the right size for a couple, a single, or a small family. Your dining area right in the middle. And then when you come into the kitchen, all of the islands are going to be quartz countertop, gas stove, microwave, cool vent hoods. Here you have a long, narrow pantry, but there's plenty of space to put everything you need. Now, since all the bedrooms and baths are upstairs, you do have a powder room here, so your guests will have somewhere to go. And as mentioned, you actually park in the back. There's little streets that you go down and go down the street behind your house and park in the back, and you do have a full garage. This is your garage, so you come in. This would be where you would put your coats and hats and whatever you have that you want to leave close by the door. Let's go take a look upstairs. In this area, it's customizable. They have chosen to do, which is pretty cool, little dog beds. I'm not sure a dog would sleep in there or not, but that's what they've chosen to do. Built-ins, wine cooler, or fridge, but this area is customizable to however you want to use it. At the end of the hallway is the primary bedroom. Nice size, easily accommodates a king bed, all the furniture that you need in addition to that. As you come into the primary bath, again, nice quartz countertops, dual vanity. Here we have a very large shower. We have a linen closet. Here you have your water closet and your clothes closet. We will take a little peek here at the laundry room. We'll have cabinets or shelves to your liking. Now they have chosen to do a built-in here for an office area, which is a great idea, but you could always just put your own desk there too, however you want to use that. This is a bedroom that, again, they've made an office, and it has a walk-in closet. And here is your third bedroom with walk-in closet as well. It's one of the features I love about these homes. And finally, the hall bath to be shared by these bedrooms. And there are several of these available right now and more coming on the market soon. So if this might be something you're interested in looking at in the next 30, 60, 90 days, feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information is below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be notified when we have more tours coming on.